This is Skywarn 7 weather with meteorologist Zach Scott.
Hey, it's July in Oklahoma.
Right.
So what do you expect?
I'm
It's supposed to
thinking
be 100 degrees,
hot,
right?
sweaty, right?
Exactly. And yet people look at that and they're, oh my goodness, it's 100 degrees. And yet, for the first time in who knows how long, well, at least prior to this summer, we actually have something to look forward to.
Oh, yeah.
3 or 4 days down the road.
Well, and we already had the one unseasonable trend with
Right.
the temperatures really dropping down, the rainfall in the middle of
Yeah,
July, and you're
yeah.
like, well, we'll take that.
Right.
Now we get to do it again. July's not even over.
Hey, I'm saying let's roll the dice. Let's say third time's a charm. This
Hey.
happens now, and then when we get to the middle of August, have another one of those little down ticks.
We'll try to keep it going. I mean, August already looks to start off possibly in the 80s.
Yeah.
We'll look at that on the 7 day.
Wow,
I don't want to jump too early.
Yeah.
We'll look at that here in a
It's
second.
encouraging, though.
Hey, we do have heat advisories
Yeah.
out, so it is definitely still July. It's still summertime in Texoma. Heat advisories out until 7 p.m. tomorrow, as we're looking for temperatures again to be above 100 degrees with heat indices around 105 or even a degree or two higher possible. So just make sure you're taking your precautions out there, drinking plenty of water, and taking breaks. As we look at temperatures still outside across southwest Oklahoma, look at that, 93 in Lawton, 89 in Walters, 88 Granfield. So basically upper 80s to some low 90s. As we go ahead and look across North Texas, you've got it the same. Upper 80s to low 90s across the region. 92 in Burke Burnett, 91 in Wichita Falls, 84 in Bowie, 93 in the Graham area. Looking at satellite and radar, clear skies, lots of sunshine. That'll continue to be the trend. As you can see, that big clockwise flow, high pressure is in charge right now. This will break down, move off towards the west. We'll see a dip in the jet stream. We'll see some active weather being able to move through the region. And like we were hinting just a moment ago, some cooler temperatures again on the way. We're talking 80s and even upper 70s possible with nighttime lows in the lower 60s. Looking at microcast right now, not the case tonight. Again, clear skies though, and winds continuing to die down 5 to 15 miles per hour when you wake up tomorrow morning with lots of clear skies again. Tomorrow, expect a lot more sunshine. As you'll notice, we're dry, and winds again out of the southwest a little bit more, 15 to 25 miles per hour. Nothing too bad out there. Really, changes start to take place later on Sunday, but for the most part, Sunday is going to be mostly sunny and dry. And then as we go into the late evening hours, far northern parts of Texoma, we'll start to see that northern or cool front moving into the region. As we go into the overnight hours, that will provide us, at least for northern Texoma right now, with a slight chance of a few scattered showers. But as we'll look at the 7 day here in a few moments, better rain chances for all of us as we move through the rest of the work week. Tonight's forecast. Temperatures seasonable in the 70s, clear and muggy out there as it should be. Let's look at temperatures tomorrow. Hot again, actually above average. Average is 96 for Lawton. We're shooting for 105. 98 is the average for you in Wichita Falls. 101. Look at all those hundreds out there. Everybody but Bowie getting in on those. But Bowie, you're right up there. 99 to 101. Is there really much of a difference? I don't think so. We'll all be sweating together. Again, temperatures near 106 in the Hollis area. So you'll make sure to stay hydrated and use caution out there. We'll go ahead and look at that 7 day forecast for you. Changes, as I mentioned, overnight Sunday into Monday. Temperatures already dropping down into the lower 90s for Monday, Tuesday, even seeing some upper 80s out there. Better rain chances moving as we work towards Wednesday and even overnight into the first thing on Thursday, and we'll see more widespread showers. Right now, maybe the better chances, at least for Monday, look to be for north of the Red River, but cooler temperatures continue with those cooler east winds. Some of these temperatures Wednesday and Thursday could be even lower into the upper 70s. Thursday or Wednesday into Thursday will be the chance for that, and those temperatures continuing to start off in the lower 60s there. Friday is the beginning of August, 86 degrees, temperature starting off 64. Nobody can complain with that.
No, that's good. But this weekend, you really kind of have to slow down. I mean,
Yeah.
105, 104. I mean,
It doesn't take much.
And it's not scientific, but it just feels like to me that every degree, once you get over 100, is like exponentially hotter than the one before that. You know, like
Everybody's different, but
Yeah.
yeah, it seems like I see people running around 1,
Oh,
2 in
man.
the afternoon. I don't think you should do that
I
at
don't
all.
think so either.